An open heart signifies accepting your partner for who they are, flaws and all, loving them without judgment or conditions. Hello and welcome to iShoe Crafty Kids Club Valentine Day collaboration. Before we embark on this journey of artistry and love today, I want to take a moment and express my gratitude to iShoe. None of this would be possible without your incredible coordination. And you poured your heart and soul into bringing us all together. A big shout out to iShoe for making this collaboration possible today. I want to thank the Incredible Creations by Christy for that great introduction. And I want to introduce to you, after me, the remarkable Cupid himself, August Acrylic Art. Now coming up, I had a little mishap and lost a little bit of video. Okay, I'm back and we have this pretty much down. I don't see anything moving around. So I have my 4-hour demolds here mixed up. Get some of these pearls. Thought maybe I would add a little bit of sands. I have some white sands here. And I don't want to add too much. I'm not sure if I mentioned this before, but this mold that I'm using, I'm actually using the opposite side of the mold. I used this heart many months ago for my husband's birthday, and you can find that linked above. I wanted an open heart effect for my project here, so I found that if by using this, the opposite side, that is exactly what I would be getting. And just to, let you know that when you do use a mold, you don't have to use what they're telling you to use. Think outside the box. Try something different. I think it is. Make it your own. And that's what I did with this piece. I thought I would talk a little bit about Valentine's Day, and just to say that it's not all about flowers and chocolates. It's a celebration of love, and love in all forms. Whether you're celebrating it with someone special, you could even be celebrating with friends, or treating yourself. Valentine's Day is a day to cherish the connections that makes life beautiful. An open heart can also represent the courage to love and be loved in return. It can also symbolize the freedom of expression, especially an expression in art. It breaks free from the social norms and expectations and brings you liberating thoughts, feelings, and the creativity is done that comes from within. Having an open heart means being generous with your love, time, and affection. It involves a willingness to give and receive love without keeping score, fostering a sense of mutual support and appreciation. I do believe I'm going to use it this way instead of this way. could use it that way. This is not dried in here. I have to put that back under the UV light. But I actually like the way it looks this way. But first is breaking news on live TV. It's Art by Donna. Let's give a big shout out to our channel members. And please remember to go to the traveling tram, hit that donate button, and let's get rid of Alzheimer's disease forever. Okay, now I'm going to finish up this video. And what we're going to do is, I couldn't decide on the side. This side was matte. And this is the beautiful side with all those beautiful shells showing through. And I think I'm going to be using this side. So I'm going to put my UV resin on this side here. And I'm going to put it right here. I am using my Let's Resin Advanced. I'll lift this. Oops. I'm going to place that right inside. And I'm putting that in for 5 minutes. And this advanced machine goes from the bottom and the top. 5 minutes. So I'm going to close you up and I'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay, the light went off. Just going to move that to the side. And yep, there we go. And I think that is just beautiful. Just the way she is. Look how gorgeous that is. I will take you in for a close-up. And if I can find a picture hanging around, I'll put a picture in there too and let you see that. If you like the content you saw here today, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified of each and every video that I do. I would love to have you back again. Thank you all for coming. I really appreciate each and every one of my subscribers, new and old. And let's not forget, this is a Valentine's Day collaboration. Please look down below for the playlist. You will find 14 amazing artists. And don't forget, August acrylic art will be next. Cupid is waiting for you. And this is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off with John today. Happy Valentine's Day. Till next time.